Unraveling, investigate, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, and we'll explore the meaning of the word investigate. Whether you're a curious learner or someone who loves to discover the depths of the language, this video is for you. Investigate is a verb that suggests looking into something thoroughly in order to discover facts or gain information. Imagine a detective sifting through clues to solve a mystery. That's investigating. It's about being inquisitive, analytical, and sometimes just plain nosy. Did you know that investigate has Latin roots? It comes from in, meaning into, and vestigar, which means to track or trace. So when you investigate, you are tracing something back to its source or understanding it more deeply. Let's put investigate into action. Here are a few examples. The police will investigate the crime scene for evidence. Scientists often investigate new phenomena to understand the natural world. Journalists investigate stories to provide detailed and accurate reports. There are several phrases that include investigate. For example, investigate further, to continue looking into a matter more deeply. Investigate the possibilities, to explore different options or opportunities. Under investigation, a term often used to indicate that something is being examined or looked into. And that wraps up our journey into the word investigate. I hope this video enlightens you and adds a new word to your English toolkit. Keep being curious, keep learning, and until next time, happy investigating. Remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.